wants that one-of-a-kind Hollywood look. However, not everyone has the budget to support it. So I got an idea. I gave myself a challenge, a thrift store challenge. I went to my favorite thrift stores or charity shops looking for one-of-a-kind pieces that I could dress up myself to look glamorous and sexy, but not spend a bunch of money. I'm here with my friend, stylist, and thrift store enthusiast, Margie. Together, her and I are going to show you some of the gems that we found and show you how to style them for your everyday life. You can look like $1 million just like we can. If there's one thing that thrift stores don't have a shortage of, it's button-down shirts. Men wear them, women wear them. The styles can vary from conservative to classic to funky to everything in between. But I'm not a really conservative person. So I'm here with Margie, and she's gonna give me some tips on how to ensure that I keep this button-down, very classic, great for interview wear, in my closet. How can I make this outfit pop? How can I make this shirt pop? I'm just never gonna wear it again.
Yes, you are, believe it or not. I love what you've done here. I love at the bout, it just kind of brings up the shirt. Don't be afraid of button-up shirts. We think it's business, we think it's stuffy, we can't wear it on our everyday use, but as a matter of fact, you can. I love this. If you want to make it more casual, some regular jean shorts, not a problem. If you kind of want to make this shirt pop a little bit, I found this in your closet. I love the pink, I think it's a great color. Feel free to untuck your shirt, button it up a little bit. I think the pink makes the pink in the shirt pop, which you can't really see until you bring out the pants.
I would have never thought about those jeans.
I think it's great. For dinner or something a little bit more
sexy,
a little bit more dressed up, you can throw on a skirt. Make sure the shirt's tucked in. At a bout, some accessories. Multi-uses for these kind of shirts, believe it or not.
You proved me wrong, Margie. Well, I'm gonna go throw these outfits on. Let me test you, test your word. I'll be right back. Welcome back to Hollywood Makeover. I'm Alana Webster. This is Marco Oliver. Marco,
yes.
I'm super excited. My boyfriend's taking me to Hawaii this summer, and I want to bring my perfumes along.
Makes sense.
How do I travel with perfume?
Well, first and foremost, you want to make sure your perfume matches up to where you're traveling to.
Okay.
If you guys are going to London or you guys are going to an island, you want to have a fresh scent. You know, you want it to match the environment you're going to be in. If you're going to have some nights where you're going to be out with the black tie event, you want something a little more undertone, a little more grown and sexy.
Sweet. Should I bring 2 different scents, one for day and one for night?
Always, you want to have diversity. You don't want to take one and you're smelling like the same person the whole time.
Lesson learned. I need to invest in 2 brand spanking new fragrances for vacation.
Yeah.
Don't you love an excuse to buy more stuff? If you've got any fragrance questions, log on to smhollywood.com. Hello, lovelies. It's your girl Alana here, answering your burning fashion questions. This is my favorite part of the show. I love little mini fashion challenges that you all pose to me. I got a question from Grace in Vancouver. She's looking to spice up her shoe wardrobe for spring and summer, and she wants some ideas. Grace, I got your back, girl. Starting over here, we've got my favorite type of sandal for summer, the Gladiator sandal. Here's a tip. Buy Gladiators in a nice nude or neutral color. That way you can pair them with many different outfits, day or night. I love tribal-inspired accents as well as studs on the toes, so just give it a little pop, a little oompah-pop. Right here, we've got cork wedges. These are great for spring and summer because stiletto heels can be a bit challenging when walking around certain types of pavements and grass and gravel. Your heel tends to slip down. But with a structured cork heel like this one, you'll be safe and sound and your ankles are protected as well. It proportions the weight, so it's easier to walk on. Brightly colored shoes are having a moment. I love bright colors, and I think you should too. Again, we're sticking with the wedge heel. Easier to walk in, super comfortable, and you're not gonna have the, ooh, I have to walk barefoot or change my shoes midway through the day. These are a great find from H&M, and they've got a nice ankle strap to break up the line on a dress or an outfit. Again, more with the wedges. These have a little bit of cork and a little bit of canvas. A little two-tone effect. It's super in and super popular. Color blocking is also a big trend for spring and summer. I like to go with red and blue. Kind of nautical, regatta. I feel like I should be on a yacht. These are one of my favorite shoes. I found these at a thrift store, but you may call them a charity shop. I love them. Every woman can have a pair of booties. And what makes these awesome is the studs. These are basic silver studs, but you can always change them out for gold studs or grommets if you're a little bit crafty. And if you are, do it, girl. Right over here are smoking flats. Obviously, I have a thing for studs, admittedly. I think there's nothing sexier than a feminine woman in a chic, structured men's shoe. These are super comfortable, easy to run errands in, go to class in, pick your kids up in. You can live in smoking flats. And they're an alternative to the simple ballet flat, which is classic, but sometimes you gotta shake it up. Finally, down here, we have our wedge sneakers. I love this trend, huge for spring. Wedge sneakers are great because they're kind of sporty and a little bit dressy. You can dress them up or dress them down. And by the way, do you know how the sneaker came to be known as the sneaker? Well, in 1917, Keds became the first company to mass produce a canvas sneaker with a rubber sole. The whole point of a sneaker was so that the individual wearing the shoe could sneak around without being detected.